Hello students, I am Sandili Gori from LJ Polytechnic. Today we are going through the topic of advanced mathematics, that is integration and its application. We are going to learn some example related to integration. Let's start with the example. Here our question is to find integration of 0 to pi by 2 under root of sine x divided by under root of sine x plus under root of cos x dx. See the solution. Taking your question as 1, see, we have the formula, that is, if our limit tends to 0 to a, that means 0 to some number and f of x dx, then we can write it as this: 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That means comparing this both the term, we have the value of a is equals to pi by 2. Using this formula, you need to know that your f of x should be replaced by a minus x. That means the value of a is pi by 2 here, and in your question the x will be replaced by pi by 2 minus x. So we have this term. See, sine x is replaced by sine pi by 2 minus x, and cos x will be replaced by cos pi by 2 minus x. Then after, you know the formula that if sine pi by 2 minus x is given, then it's nothing but cos x, because we know sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Similarly, cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to sine x. Apply both this formula and this term. We have integration of 0 to pi by 2 under root of cos x upon under root of cos x plus under root of sine x dx. Taking this term as 2. Now adding both this 1 and 2, we have in left hand side we have I plus I, and in right hand side we have both this integration like this, right? Now what we need to do, see, here we have two terms in integration and both the terms are in addition, so we can write it as if integration of f1 of x dx plus integration of f2 of x dx are given, then you can write it as whole integration of f1 of x plus f2 of x dx. Applying this formula in this term, I plus I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 and both this term. See, in this term we have same denominator, so apply LCM, we can get I plus I 2i, an integration of 0 to pi by 2. Adding both this numerator, we have under root of sine x plus under root of cos x, and in the denominator both the terms are same, so we can write it as 1s. You can use this formula. See, if we have a by c plus b by c is equals to addition of numerator, that is nothing but a plus b and divided by c. Okay, now in this term both the numerator and denominator are same, so we can cancel it out. So we have 2i is equals to integration of, we have nothing, that's why we can write it as 1 dx. Now what about the integration of 1 dx? See, we have the formula, that is, if integration of 1 is given, then your answer should be x plus c. Using this term, we have 2i and integration of 1 is equals to x, and limits of integrations are given as 0 to pi by 2. Now putting both the limits in the function, we have 2i. Now put upper limit first, so we have pi by 2 minus lower limit, that is 0. You know the formula, right? That is, if f of x a to b is given, that means f of upper limit minus f of lower limit. Using this formula, we have this term, right? Now pi by 2 minus 0 is nothing but pi by 2. Now we need to find integration, that means I. So we are taking this 2 on right hand side, that's why we get I is equals to pi by 4. So this is your final answer. Thank you for watching.